Alright guys, here it is. The curry goat, plantains, and whatever. I think it doesn't look as yellow as it is in real person, but that's it. Delicious. I don't know. This is too big. This is curry goat. You ever had it before? Yeah, that's what I mean. Never again. I said right, guys.